Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone not receiving text messages. When your iPhone doesn't get a text messages, it's a problem. You might miss important stuff because most people text these days. If this has happened to you before, you know how annoying it is. So let me show you how you can fix this problem if you're not receiving text messages on your iPhone. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is check your cellular or Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have a cellular connection, you won't be able to receive text messages. So make sure that you have a strong internet connection before you receive any text messages on your iPhone. You won't be able to receive any text messages if you don't have good internet connection on your device. Then move on to the next step. The next step is turn off airplane mode. If airplane mode is on, you'll have trouble sending or receiving text messages. Turn it off and then wait for a few minutes to see if any message come through. So if the airplane mode is turned on, you can just simply open the control center and here you will see this airplane mode. So make sure that it's disabled. You can just disable it simply clicking on it and just wait for a few minutes to see if any message come through. So once you have done this, then the next step is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can fix a lot of common bugs, especially if it's been long time since you restarted. Try fully shutting off your iPhone, then turn it back on and verify your cellular connection and wait for a few minutes to see if the text start coming through. To restart your iPhone, you can simply go to settings, scroll down, click on general, scroll down and here you will see shutdown. You can restart your iPhone from here. So once you have restarted your iPhone, simply go back to your messages app to see if the message come through. And if you are still not receiving text message, then the next step is unblock the number. If you accidentally blocked your friend's phone number or you forgot about blocking it in the past, you will find that you can't receive their text. Try unblocking their number and ask them to resend their message. If they don't come through, you can simply go to your iPhone to unblock, then find the phone app, click on it, scroll down, then here you will see this blocked contacts, click on it, and if you see any number blocked here, you can unblock them from here. So once you have done this and if you are still not receiving the text message, then the next step is check for iOS updates. If your iPhone has missed some operating system updates that may cause problem with the text messages, check for update and install anything is available. Simply go to settings, then click on general, click on software update, and if you get any update, make sure that you install it on your iPhone and check if the texts start working. So once you have done this, then the last step is reset your network setting. If an issue with your iPhone prevents it from connecting to cellular network to receive text messages, resetting your network setting may fix it. This will also raise your Wi-Fi connection, so make sure you know the password before you perform this procedure. And don't worry, you won't lose any of your data. Simply go to setting, click on general, scroll down, and here you will see transfer reset iPhone. Simply click on reset and reset network setting. Enter the passcode of your iPhone and perform the network reset setting. Hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.